Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on one SQL interview question. So the question is here, how many ways to skip top n rows from the table? So here I have employee table which contains 16 rows. So I want to skip first 6 rows so that you will get only 10 rows. So how to skip first 6 rows? Okay, there are several methods to get the output. So I will show one after other. So first one is, so here I am using offset. Select star from your table name, order by ID column, offset 6 rows. See, there are 16 rows are there. So I want to skip first 6 rows. See, only 10 rows are there. So using offset is one of the method. And second one, so using row number function. Star comma, I am applying row underscore number, okay, over order by ID, okay, giving alias name from EMP. So I will make this entire query as subquery. Now on top of it I am writing outer query. I am getting the output from the derived table name. Here I am giving some alias table name, okay, where so here I am using rn is greater than or equal to 6 because we want to skip top 6 rows. So if you execute this one, sorry, greater than or equal to 7, not 6. So you will see first 6 rows are skipped and remaining 10 rows are appeared. So this is by using row number function. Okay. So next, so we will also get the similar output using subquery. Okay. So first I am writing subquery here. Select. We want to skip top 6 rows. Select top 6 ID. I am mentioning ID column. So here ID is the primary key. So here I am mentioning ID column. Top 6 ID from EMP. Okay. Group by ID column. So if you execute this one, so you will get only 6 rows, 6 IDs. Okay. But here we want to skip all these top 6 IDs. So on top of it I am writing outer query. Select star from your table name EMP, and I will make this entire query as subquery. The where condition, where I am mentioning here ID not in this subquery. See, all these rows are from 7 onwards. That means top 6 rows have been skipped. This is by using subquery. Okay. So I will tell one more thing, using except operator. So except is the set operator. So in the first help statement I am taking all rows. Select star from EMP. Okay. I am using except operator. So what this except operator will do? Except operator will take only unique rows from the first rows. So where those rows are not exist in the second select statement. Okay, in the second select statement I am taking select top 6 rows. Top 6 rows. Top 6 star. Okay, from EMP. Okay, order by ID. Okay, so here I am using except operator. You will get 7 rows. So in the first table there are 16 rows. So I am using except operator. Except will do, it will remove the 6 rows because we are using top 6 rows from the second self statement. So except operator will pick unique rows from the first self statement. Those rows that does not exist in the second self statement. So in this second self statement, we have only top 6 rows. But in the first self statement, we have entire 16 rows. Except operators will remove the first 6 rows and display only unique rows, that is, which is not repeated in the second self statement. So you can see by this way you can get. You can skip the first 6 rows. And finally, in last method, we can use correlated subquery. Okay. So here I am taking first I am writing subquery select count star from EMP. From EMP. Okay, I am giving alias name as E2 where I am comparing the column E2 dot ID less than or equal to E1 dot ID. So E1 is outer query. I need to write E1 dot ID. Okay, this is my subquery. So on top of it I am writing outer query select star from EMP E1 where from this subquery in the where condition. So here I am mentioning here less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to 6. So this is subquery. If you this is a correlated subquery, I am taking count star from the table. So I am giving alias name and so here I am comparing E2 dot ID less than or equal to E1 dot ID. So here in the outer query I am taking select star from EMP table where greater than 6. You can see 6 rows are eliminated and you can see remaining 10 rows. So by these methods you can skip the top n rows from the table. So you can answer like this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.